that you're back in town. And if it's not too late, I can bring chocolate. And maybe if you want them, some roses too. 'Cause it's been a long year, but maybe you missed me. I think you might remember the words of that tune. So here's my love letter, entrusted to the weather. We'll ride across the waves and float through the clouds. And when it's delivered, do what you want with it. You can send it back or keep it around. I never stop dreaming about the sound of the sun playing in the background. When the last night was finally spent, I was left with the memory of that chocolate scent.